Terry Nye, registered dietitian from Tiny Bites Nutrition, and today we're going to show you how you can make little pots so you can grow plants from seeds all the way until they're a little bit bigger and then plant them in your garden. All you need, this is a really easy activity, all you need is some newspaper, some scissors, and something round to roll. We're going to show you how to do it. Addie's going to help me out, and we're going to take you through step by step.
Can I go get my little can?
So Addie and I have already cut our newspaper, and you're going to make them smaller if you want a smaller pot and bigger if you want a bigger pot. So then you're just going to take something round. You can use something from your pantry or something from your recycling. Even a cup from your house would work great. Addie, so the first step is we lie our newspaper flat.
2 layers or 1?
Just 1 layer. And we're gonna lie it flat. We want to make sure there's enough room so that you can fold up the end. Did you leave enough room?
Yeah.
So you can fold up the end? All right, and then hold the newspaper tight. And what do we do next?
Roll it.
We roll it. All right, roll, 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 roll. Keep it nice and straight. Roll, 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 right to the end. There, all the way to the end. There you go. Then turn it over, and all we do is fold one side down, fold the other side down,
And then cat ears.
and then we have little cat ears, don't we? And fold the 2 cat ears in,
And then you fold the top.
and then, oh, we forgot the wiggle. Wiggle it out. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Oh, I think mine's too tight. Wiggle, wiggle. Ah, there we go. And now,
Wiggle my can out.
you can wiggle. And then we fold the top down.
Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Come on out.
And we have got a perfect little pot ready to put dirt in. So that you can start growing seeds. One of the reasons I love these is that now that the dirt's in them, you can water them, they'll hold moisture, and you don't even need to take your plants out of them when they're bigger. You can plant them right into the garden because the newspaper is going to decompose. Thanks for joining us while we made newspaper pots. Now that we have them made, we're going to fill them up with dirt and plant some seeds for our garden for later. Check out our other videos where we are going to start beans in a jar so you can watch them grow. The leaves come up and the roots come down. That's going to be a really exciting video to watch the beans grow. And we also have another one where we're going to transfer those beans that started in the jar into the dirt, let them grow a bit more inside, and later, when it's not cold at night anymore, we're going to transfer them into our garden. Thanks for joining us.